To assess the impact of ADAS functionalities on occupant protection, IDIADA has developed a methodology to understand passenger behaviour in the event of a pre-crash scenario. This methodology consists of 3 phases: testing on a proving ground, testing on a driving simulator, and finally, virtual testing using human body models. A wide variety of users have been included in order to evaluate possible differences in occupant behaviour and how it interferes with the performance of restraint systems in a pre-crash scenario. Cutting-edge technology has been key in collecting a large amount of data to assess the response of the vehicle passengers and to measure instinctive human reactions in a potentially harmful situation. The methodology has been developed by IDIADA's multidisciplinary team of automotive and telecommunications engineers, supported by our team of psychologists, and places IDIADA at the forefront of the development of advanced restraint systems using reliable human body models.